Hey. Oh shit. So, what happened, and you don't really know, is my eye fucking hurts right now because I tried to get rid of my eyebrow and I totally failed. So we're gonna try again. And I just washed everything off, but a lot of it came into my eye and it fucking hurts. So I feel like crying. What's it with the flies that terrorize me in this fucking place? Right, so what went wrong with the first time is I put this on my eye to cover up the dark bits and I put way too much on it. So yeah, that's gotta learn. So we are going to start with acting like I didn't do a video for like 30 minutes already. Glue. So this one right here is literally just glue that you use in school. So it's, sorry, but this really hurts. I'm not sure if I should put like water on it because it really doesn't feel well. Maybe I just have to cry for like half. Okay, so besides the point, I'm gonna just put the glue in it and hope it stays in place. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work against the direction of the hairs. And we're gonna take this thing, I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna take it and we're gonna work the hairs upwards. See, I mean, look at that, like, how many eyebrow hairs can a person have? Okay, now we go over it again. Okay, it's dry, so we're going over one more time. Now we're gonna wait until it's dry again. And what we're gonna do then is put a little bit of powder over it. And then we're gonna put a little bit this time of this on it. And what happened the first time is that my hairs came loose, so I hope that they look better now than they did the first time. So I guess practicing helps, but pretty. I don't just want to put concealer over it because I feel like that's not going to cover everything up. And I just found out that my concealer that I have is tattoo covering. So I'm like, if it can cover a tattoo, it can cover my eyebrow, right? So I was like, let's try it. So I have a little tattoo here, so I'm just gonna try a little bit. I feel like, oh yeah, it's gone now, but I mean, we want the tattoo to be, I mean, I think you guys see it might be gone, but you can, yeah, you see it, that you can still see through it. So I don't think it's tattoo covering approved, but we need to cover an eyebrow. So we're taking this one, LA Girl Pro Conceal, and basically I bought this one because I saw it on a girl's video on Instagram, like a short video about her covering up her eyebrow with, I think it's this one. It didn't say which one it was, it just said LA Pro Conceal. I was like, which shade, bitch? So I don't know, I think it's an orange because orange said that it's covering up dark circles around your eyes and shit, so I think it should be right. So we're not gonna take too much. I don't really know, it's like, is it gonna dry? Do we need to wipe it out? Do we need to dab it in? Because the first time I went in with my sponge, and I feel like the sponge just ruined everything because it's quite aggressive. Okay, I'm gonna try and put some powder over it again. We're baked in everything. Oh, I literally can't breathe. Okay, we're gonna take the tattoo covering concealer. That was really slow. So it's basically the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. Ultra covering liquid concealer with a matte finish, covers instantly dark circles, blemishes and tattoos. Long lasting and waterproof. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm satisfied with this and the rest is for Facetune. I am not even lying. Like, I mean, people can be on my picture like, fake and shit, but I made a video and I'm telling you now, I am going to Facetune the rest of it. Because I'm apparently, I'm just making it worse. I am apparently not a good person to cover up things. I just feel like the red is just the issue. That's the issue here, like the red. The palette we're gonna use, and I'm telling you, we're not gonna make this an extra glam look, because that's just gonna be difficult, because I don't even know how I'm gonna draw my eyebrows, seriously. So I got this new palette from Makeup Revolution, Sofie, I guess it's pronounced, and it's called Extra Spice. Yeah, so Sofie Extra Spice. I have no idea if Sofie is a make or a person. This is bad. So as you can see, they're very colorful shades. So I think we're just gonna go in with this one here. Wait, I'll hold it this in. This one's called Cookie Dog. I think I'm just gonna keep it with 2 shades because I'm really not confident enough to make this something really pretty. Oh, for the other one, I am going in with the one next to Cookie Dog, and that is Dream. Now, I'm very aware that this is a very boring look, so we're just gonna add eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using is the same one as always. It's from Rimmel. It's called Glam Eyes. It's literally, I use this always. I literally don't know what else to use. This is easy, so. I feel like my eyebrow is trying to escape. What would happen if you do another layer of concealer over it? Or is that gonna ruin everything? Let's try, just a little one. Let's just try over here. So my bitch camera wasn't filming, so I went in with my Love You So Muchy NYX highlighter palette. I went in with this color in my inner corner of my eye and under my eyebrow. So then I was complaining about having to recreate my eyebrow underneath my eye, which is totally gonna fail, and then we can all laugh and end this video. So let's get started. Go like this, I guess. Hey, I don't think this is too bad. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I am very happy that I can just draw this upside down, because I'm really bad at drawing shit. So I am happy. I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer, just a little bit, just to try and define and not fuck up my eyebrow. Oh my god. So, we're gonna take Cookie Dog again. And I get, oh my god, the eyeliner. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Okay. Oh, that's what she meant. So there's nothing coming. We don't see anything. I don't think this is ever gonna look good. I can try for like 3 hours and I'm probably gonna end up making it worse. So let's just hope for the best. How the fuck am I gonna do an eyeliner? This literally looks like I've been punched in the face a few days ago. Nope. Okay, come on, you can do it. And I am shaking way too much to do this. Okay, this is the best I'm gonna get it. I don't think it's that bad. I think this one looks better than that. Hey. I saw that for lashes, you have to have 2 right eyelashes. Yeah. So I don't really have 2 the same lashes. So I'm gonna try and see if I have sort of the same. I'm gonna use these 2 and they're not the same at all. But who's gonna know, right? These lashes are nice. Right, and I'm gonna take the other one and take the same, so the right one, this is blue, why is it, oh my god. Okay, we're going in, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Actually, that was easier than putting on normal lashes. These lashes make it better. Oh no. It feels like my lash is falling off, but that's pure because it's touching my cheek and it feels really weird. Okay! Oh my god, we're done. That's insane. Let me just try and call my sister. It's quite late, I don't know if she's sleeping yet. She's not gonna pick up. Are you fucking kidding me? Let's go for Mum, but she never answers the phones. They're literally 100 meters away from me. I feel rejected. Fuck this. Okay. I think, personally, that it went way better than I thought it would. So I'm happy. I don't know, maybe it looks completely shit, but I feel what I see right now, that it's nice. No, I mean, the eyebrow literally close up. I don't know what happened with contouring, but that's just a line. This is what, and then like I said, look is not a look without the lashes, so you can't really judge before the lashes are on, and that confirms it again. So I do feel like my eyebrow is a bit smaller that one than that one, but you know what, I drew an eyebrow, so that's a big deal. I'm not gonna keep going on about this. Do you like it? Just give this video a like for fuck's sake, because I glued my eyebrow. Knowing that I've done all this, like filming for 4 hours or something, I just have to wipe it off. Okay. Just like this video, just for the effort that I put in this. And I don't know, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And I really like doing this, and it was definitely an adventure. Definitely. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video and make my eyebrow back to normal, find my family and asking why they're not answering their phones, and then go to sleep. So I would want to call my boyfriend. I'm definitely sure if I would call Jordan right now, he would definitely pick up, and he's watching boxing in some pub, so he would pick up just because he sees him calling, and my family just don't care. I'm not gonna call him because literally in a pub. So, Anyway, thanks for watching and I hope you liked it. And like I said, don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.